Hey guys, today I'll be going to the Rangwang Waterfall with all of my students. Okay, cool out so my bus liya wabi. Di bus ne to ma pi pare. Di bus ne so yin chuno do 45 minute lauk to ma pi pi do ma chuno ya chong tu lu lo shi ba. Everybody say good morning.
Good morning.
So our bus is also about to leave here, and these are the students that you can see. These all are the students that is going to be at the waterfall.
Process 1. Process 2.
We just arrived now, and this is our bus. And moreover, my students are going ahead already. So on the way to the waterfall. So this is inside the Rawin waterfall, and this is how it looked like. And by the way, to come to this place, we need to give the entrance fee. And for Malaysia, for the local Malaysian, you'll have to give 2 ringgit for one person, and then 8 ringgit for foreigners. And these are the toilets that you can use. I'm not sure we need to give money for the toilet, because usually in this kind of place we usually need to give money for the toilet.
Is it right? Is it wrong? I don't care. It feels way too good. Is it right? Is it wrong? Your lips tell me when I feel blue.
So now we are going to take a group photo, and these are the students that can come today, and these are like a little bit bigger compared to the left one at the school. Now football time. Football time.
Say I will run away, but it's all a lie, 'cause I always stay. It's all a lie, I always stay.
Hi guys, I just finished playing football, and now I'm like, the whole body is sweating. Now after playing football, now we will be eating our lunch here. This is the food, this is the lunch. And the students are here ready to eat their lunch. How is the food, guys? How is the food? Is it good?
Is it right? Is it wrong? Your lips tell me when I feel blue.
Hey guys, now is about to go to the hiking. So over there we will go that side, and then we will attend that mountain, because the waterfall is right there. So now we are heading to the waterfall. Now this is the steps that we will need to take to get to the waterfall. And this is like a small hiking, and this is pretty fun. We are going to the waterfall, don't you know?
There are some monkeys here.
Guys, this is how it looked like. Yeah, you guys brought him away with you.